Today I'm going to teach you how to simplify expressions with powers. Okay, so there's some notes you need to take down. The product of powers property. Okay, so this property states to multiply powers with the same base, add their exponents. So the same base is 4, and you see the exponents, second power, third power. So you add 4, 2 plus 3, which is 4 to the 5th power. The second thing you need to know is power of a power property. So to find a power of a power, multiply the exponents. So 4 to the 6th to the 3rd. So you would multiply 6 times 3. What that is saying is that if we had 6 fours, and we had that 3 times, how many total 4s would we have? Well, you would have 6 times 3, which is 18. The last thing is the power of a product property. So to find a power of a product, find the power of each factor and multiply. So here's an example. You have 3 times 2 in parentheses and then to the 5th power. So you're going to factor each out. So 3 to the 5th power times 2 to the 5th power. So these are all the rules you need to know for this section. So let's try one. Up I see same base, so I need to add my exponents. So that would be 2 to the 9th power. B is going to end up being a negative. When we don't see an exponent, you put a little 1 there. So it's negative 5 to the 1st power times negative 5 to the 6th power. So it would be negative 5 to the 7th power. And then the last one, we're going to add our exponents, so it would be x to the 10th power. Here we have a power within a power. So we need to multiply. So 3 is our base, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Once again, for B, we have a power within a power. So it would be W, 5 times 4 is 20. The last examples, we need to factor. So this one we have 2 to the 3rd power times x to the 3rd power. And then if they ask you to simplify, you would actually simplify to the 3rd power, which is 8, x to the 3rd. For example B, we would separate each, factor it out, so 3 squared times x squared times y squared. 3 times 3 is 9, so our answer would be 9x squared, y squared. And this page, we have a lot of different examples. So let's just take a look at a few of them. So let's take a look at number 2. So don't forget, we need the parentheses. So negative 1/2. We have the same base, so we add our powers, so to the 9th power. Number 3, there's no exponent next to the z, so you need to put a 1 there. So it would be z to the 13th power. Number 5, we have a power within a power, so we have to remember to multiply. So it would be y to the 8th. And then take a look at number 7. We would have to factor. So 5 to the 4th times y to the 4th. And then you can solve. 5 to the 4th would be 625. And then y to the 4th. I hope this video helped you understand powers.